you are struggling with your mommy tummy, I want you to stop what you're doing and do this exercise with me. Or at least save it for later, because this is one of the first exercises you should be doing. We are trying to specifically target your transverse abdominis. That muscle is underneath the rectus abdominis, your obliques, and it cinches in your waistline like a waist trainer. It helps to pull the fascia and the muscles of your deep core and helps to pull it nice and tight to hold the contents of your core in. I'm going to give you 3 different visuals to see which one works for you. First, let's try finding your hip bones. Now pretend as though you're bringing your hip bones together. Don't worry if that didn't work. Here's way number 2. So your belly button is here. Pretend as though it's down here. Now I want you to pull it straight back to your back. It's not the same as a vacuum where you're getting your belly button and trying to bring it in and back. Doing that causes this hollowness up here, and that's not what we're looking for. That can actually make the situation worse. This third visual, I want you to pretend as though you're trying to zip up your zipper without getting your skin caught. Zip it up, just like that. Once you find the visual that works for you, I want you to try to hold it for 10 seconds. Do that 10 times. Do 3 sets a day.